Hello there and welcome to my channel, Maven, the home of exclusive and dynamic visuals. I'm an animator and a digital artist. If you love bold and creative digital art with a deep cultural meaning, then you are in the right place. My NFT collection, named Haven of Apes on OpenSea, is a powerful fusion of art and identity. It features stunning designs that represent global unity and diversity. On this channel, you'll find NFT drops, behind the scene looks at my creative process, and how to navigate OpenSea with a recent video series. NFT is a valuable insight. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications, and also check on my collection right there on OpenSea. The link is right there in the description. Join me on this exciting journey in the world of NFTs.